Welcome to our lesson on the slope of a line. In mathematics, the slope is a fundamental concept that tells us how steep a line is. The slope of a line is defined as rise over run. What does that mean? Well, the rise represents how far we go up or down, and the run represents how far we go left or right. Mathematically, the slope is the ratio of the vertical change to the horizontal change between any 2 points on the line. Now, let's derive the formula for the slope. If we have 2 points on our line, point 1 with coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1, and point 2 with coordinates x sub 2, y sub 2, then the slope m is calculated as y sub 2 minus y sub 1, divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This formula calculates the vertical change, which is our rise, divided by the horizontal change, which is our run. The sign and value of the slope give us important information about the line. If the slope is positive, the line goes up from left to right. If the slope is negative, the line goes down from left to right. If the slope is 0, we have a horizontal line. And if the slope is undefined, which happens when the denominator x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is 0, we have a vertical line. Let's work through an example to calculate the slope of a line. Suppose we have 2 points on a line, point 1 at coordinates 1, 2, and point 2 at coordinates 4, 8. Using our formula, the slope m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1, divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Substituting our values, we get 8 minus 2, divided by 4 minus 1. This simplifies to 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. So, the slope of the line is 2, which means for every 1 unit we move to the right, we move up 2 units. This is a positive slope, so the line goes up from left to right. Let's see how slope applies in a real-world context. Imagine a hiking trail on a mountain. The slope of the trail tells us how steep it is. A trail with a slope of 0.25 means for every 4 feet of horizontal distance, you climb 1 foot in elevation. A steeper trail with a slope of 0.5 means for every 2 feet of horizontal distance, you climb 1 foot in elevation. And a flat trail has a slope of 0, no change in elevation as you walk horizontally. To summarize what we've learned about the slope of a line, the slope is defined as rise over run, the vertical change divided by the horizontal change. The formula for calculating slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Remember, a positive slope means the line goes up from left to right, a negative slope means it goes down, a 0 slope is a horizontal line, and an undefined slope is a vertical line. Understanding slope is essential for many areas of mathematics and real-world applications. Thanks for watching.